Welcome to this episode of Get Dressed With Me. On this episode, the Fringe part of the collection from Marc Jacobs Resort. This super cute little silk Fringe shirt with a Fringe pencil skirt also from the collection. Cute hot pink, or sorry, baby pale pink. Love it with an easy little sandal and an oversized moto jacket. Makes it kind of cash. Love this little mini skirt also from the Marc Jacobs Resort collection with the Fringe. Here it is with just a nice thigh-high black boot. The same Fringe top I'm loving, and their hybrid smartwatch and a blazer. These sunglasses are also from the MJ collection, loving them. Here it is, the cute little Fringe shirt with a legging and a new bag from their resort collection. I love, and these are also the low top trainers from their collection that I love. Now here it is with just a classic sweatpant and a Fringe pony, a little loafer. Here it is with a skinny jean and a combat boot. Again, this shirt is super cute and just adds a little bit of flair to wardrobe staples. That's another nice bag from the new collection. Here it is with a slip dress and some slippers. This is a Fringe shirt that has a little bit more Fringe going all the way up. Love it with, again, the new bag from the collection. Here's the pink Fringe sweatshirt they did. Love it with these Comme des Garçons drop crotch sweats and the low sneaker, white sneaker from the collection, and an oversized hoodie. Very cute. And of course a beanie. This is good for walking a dog. Love the pink Fringe sweatshirt with the pink pencil skirt and just a kind of disappearing Manolo nude pump here. Kind of Dorsey style sandal pumpy thing. Very cute. Again, throwing on a blazer just to kind of give a little zhuzh, and another pom-pom tote bag from the collection. Here's a striped t-shirt they did with a nice Fringe going along the bottom. Love this again with leggings. Love this with leggings and combat boots. Super duper cute, and an oversized hoodie. Feeling the vibes. Again, they just added Fringe and pom-pom and beading in this collection that just makes all these wardrobe staples so freaking cool. Love it here with low top Vans and oversized moto. Then here is a really pretty dress from the Resort collection. Just love this kind of classic self-belt dress. This is great for going out, great for Valentine's Day, awesome for any events that you have to hit or date nights this winter or on vacation. Now, also love it with a classic nude Manolo from Saks Fifth Avenue. Just as how I'd wear it if I was doing date night with a little tux jacket from Celine. Loving these pretty girl vibes. See you guys in the next episode. Check you later.